Did you also realize at that point of time कि हमेशा कहते हैं कि अपने दोस्तों की पहचान हमेशा कठिन वक्त में होती है, तो people who really stood by you and you kind of really look back at them and say that these are the real people in my life.
See, I didn't expect anyone to stand by me. I had my family, which was enough for me. Because if something like this happened to a friend of mine, I don't think I could do anything. So if someone was not there for me, I don't think I was expecting anything also. My family was strong for me, and my mom was very strong for me. And I'm glad that I have a family like mine.
Yeah. Coming back to the hero, original film was very beautiful film. And Jackie Shroff and everyone, even Meenakshi Seshadri looked so beautiful in that. अगर उस फिल्म से कंपेयर करें, हालांकि नहीं करना चाहिए,
अभी नहीं करना चाहिए,
नहीं कर सकते,
कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए, बट इफ इट ऑल वी वांट टू काइंड ऑफ पिन पॉइंट द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द टू फिल्म, तो क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
आई थिंक स्टोरी बहुत ही सिमिलर है, द क्रस्ट एंड द कोर इज़ द सेम, क्योंकि एक रीमेक है तो यू कांट चेंज द स्टोरी,
राइट?
तो वो स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे बहुत ही सिमिलर है, लेकिन आई थिंक कैरेक्टर्स, किरदार, रिलेशनशिप्स पिक्चर में, लोकेशंस, म्यूज़िक, वो बहुत ही यूथ ओरिएंटेड है. वी टारगेटेड टुडेज जनरेशन, टुडेज ऑडियंसेस, वेदर इट्स Radha's character, how she is, what she wears, how she speaks, and Suraj's character as well. तो वो सब बदलाव आया है स्क्रिप्ट में, लेकिन essentially it's the same story.
Right. Social life में कुछ change हुआ है in terms of that you started attending parties more, you started meeting people more after.
No parties.
कोई
What
टाइम ही
parties?
नहीं देता है.
What parties? We've been promoting our film since the past 1 month and
No parties.
टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है पार्टी करने का. पर हाँ, जब फिल्म रिलीज हो जाएगी तब पार्टी करेंगे.
Who are the actors, of your generation, I would say, that you really look up to and say that, these are the people who really you want to kind of, उनका एक inspiration या कहीं एक touch आपके काम में दिखाई देता हो, किसी के साथ अगर आप relate करना चाहें तो?
I think for me, firstly, I think everybody has such a unique quality that everybody is well-rounded and has their own niche. But for me personally, I love Deepika Padukone. I think she's beautiful. She's an amazing actor. And when I think of an actress, I think of two people. One is Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and the other is Deepika Padukone. And in terms of acting and as an actor, I really respect Anushka Sharma a lot. I love Alia as well. I think both of them are extremely natural. और जब स्क्रीन पे आते हैं तो you don't look at anyone else, you just look at them.
Right. आपको क्या लगता है सूरज कि who is your real competition?
There are a lot of them. All the new boys are really good, but I think the two who stand out are Varun Dhawan and Tiger Shroff. Yeah,
Okay.
both my brothers. Yeah.
Right. So कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि हर डिपार्टमेंट में एक्सेल करने के बाद, God forbid, what's the next plan? If at all it doesn't turn out the way you thought it to be.
I have no other plan.
नहीं तो और एक पिक्चर करेंगे. वो नहीं चलेगी तो और करेंगे. I think failure makes you better, and I'm prepared for it.
Success and failure come hand in hand. Without success, without failure, there's no success. So
Truly said. So last word from Athia and Suraj कि क्या खास है इस फिल्म में, क्यों आपके लोगों को आपकी ये फिल्म देखनी
should I
चाहिए?
do my standard?
हाँ, see.
Okay. Hero. Action है, dance है, passion है, romance है, हम है.
That's a good one. Suraj.
I think.
He'll say the more serious.
No,
Okay, let him-
I think
let him be natural as he's always been maintaining.
We both have worked really hard for this film, and it's taken a lot of people to make this project, and it is going to make our dreams come true, and I request everyone to go and watch it and support us, newcomers.
September
Yes.
11th.
So Hero releases September 11th.
Go watch, take your entire family, take everybody, watch it twice.
जैसा आथिया ने कहा, 2 बार या 3 बार, जितनी बार भी देखना चाहें आप देखिए, एंड आई एम श्योर कि इनकी मेहनत जो है वो ज़रूर कामयाब होगी. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.